I'm having this interview with Paulo Marques from Arquiconsult. Hi, Paulo.
Hello.
Tell me, how are you enjoying your stay in Poznań at Directions EMEA 2025?
Yeah, for us. It's always a pleasure to be at Directions. So a good event. So we have a big team here, and we enjoy to meet the community. We've been a partner, look for new solutions, new features coming of the product. So it's always interesting, and we are always willing to be present and to engage with some partners.
Thank you. We talked earlier that you paid a visit to a keynote speech that Kamil Karbowiak, the CEO of Data Courage, was conducting today. So tell me, how did you enjoy the keynote given by Kamil?
Actually, it was very interesting because from my perspective, it was disruptive because it brings into the stage actually some real pain that the customers, our customers, have, and when they're talking about AI, and it's a different perspective to looking at how AI can solve some real business problems and improve the business and improve the companies and the processes in the companies of our customers.
Paul, a very general question. How do you, we talk about a lot about AI projects. Everybody knows that it's easier said than done. What do you think about customers currently? Are they more ready to introduce real AI projects to their companies and to solve their business challenges, problems, issues?
Okay, so regarding that, we've been approached more and more by customers, basically telling us, please help us. We know that we need to introduce AI in a company. We know that we need to catch this wave, but we don't know how to start, exactly what we need. So there's a lot of customers. We actually did a webinar a couple of months ago regarding AI, and we were very successful. We have a lot of contacts, a lot of customers asking us for help. But when we ask them, okay, let's think a little bit how AI can improve your business, and then they struggle to answer this question. So yeah, customers are more and more informed that, okay, we need to be and we need to surf this wave. But obviously, they are looking for partners that can actually provide them AI solutions to solve real cases from their business and to actually add value to their business. Okay, so this is more and more common. But to be honest, nowadays, a lot of companies look at this as a buzzword, but they need help to actually drive them through the correct path to introduce AI on their organizations.
Paulo, I know we are like our companies, they are in touch for a while. I know from you that you observe what we do. And tell me, Data Courage building this purpose-built AI solutions, is it? I think you just told me that this is the right direction of implementing AI projects. Could you just confirm?
Yes. Actually, as I said, customers don't know what they want actually. Okay, they know they are looking for help, and if we can have some solutions that are specifically built to address a specific area or problem and we have a solution. And your company, I think, I've been in touch with you for the last maybe 3 to 4 years. We meet each other and at Directions, EMEA, US, or in several events where you are. And it's nice to see that your company looking for this AI problem or trend in a different way. From my perspective, my personal perspective, that's very good, because you basically you try to encapsulate in specific solutions for specific actors inside an organization to say, okay, we are going to solve your problem. There's some AI-based solution that are specific for the financial, for the CEOs, so for sales. So, and this is actually a good approach from our perspective because you will are pointing to specific departments, specific area inside the organization, and most important for the customers, and it's quick win. So it's some solutions that you can quickly implement it, test it, and because they're using the data that already exists on Business Central, and get this data, and you can see the result in a couple of hours, which is great for the customer, the end customer perspective.
Paulo, it was a pleasure to have you and to have this conversation with you. Thank you a lot.
Thank you.